Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I am going to tell you something very important today in the morning quick bite. Ladies and gentlemen, that what have a closer look that you are saying it is Badam Rogan, the almond oil, and then it just costs something like I think 365 rupees. So this is from Patanjali, and just have a closer look. Don't forget it because this is, ladies and gentlemen, this is a lubrication item, and you just see that what all I'll be doing with this Badam Rogan. Badam Rogan is a very important immunity booster, and it is of course a lubricating agent also. You just see that, ladies and gentlemen, you know that your ears can be dry and you need to go to the doctor. Your nose can be dry and then corona can get inside, and then your lubrication in the throat and of course in the body metabolism can be dry, and then it can be a source of problem and diseases. And then what will happen? There'll be hospital mafia, there'll be drug mafia, and of course we cannot say that the doctor mafia. They are the great people and they are the nice people. They are next to God. So let us don't talk about, we only talk about the hospital mafia and the drug mafia. Drug mafia means WHO mafia, medicine mafia, and all these who are taking cuts, who are taking, bribes, who are taking from the diagnostic centers and others, and it is coming from our pockets. The money is coming from our hard-earned money. Because what I want to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, if we know very small tips, we can save lot of money, our family money, our own hard-earned money. That is the point that I want to talk about it. And what I am trying to tell you, it is Badam Rogan. Ladies and gentlemen, Badam Rogan. This Badam Rogan, for the lubrication, you can just in the evening put it in the nose, and then it will go cleanse, and it will just your all eye, nose and throat. This ENT system, and then something will go to the brain also. It will touch there, it will lubricate it, and then the corona will just get entrapped it, otherwise it just flies. It's very dangerous. So small tip about corona, but the major thing is that it will keep it moist, it will keep it, it will keep it soft. I had a ear problem. The doctor told me that you have to go for operation. You don't have good ears at all. You just see that there were so many stories. So and then I started using Badam Rogan in my ears, and now I am feeling fine. You just see my ears, they are lubricated, they are very nice, and nothing is happening. So eye, ear, nose and throat, they are connected, and there should be complete free flow of oxygen, air, when these three things, ENT, air, nose, throat. For that purpose, the ultimate medicine, the ultimate Ramban means the ultimate weapon is Badam Rogan. Three uses of Badam Rogan. We can just take it with the milk, half a teaspoonful of Badam Rogan almond oil. We can just put it in the nose in the evening or in the morning, and then in the ear. Three tips I told you about Badam Rogan to keep healthy and happy. Because the doctor is sitting inside you and me, and we are our own doctors. My life is my own making. With this adage, I wind up, and of course having a very beautiful breakfast, the king breakfast, as I told you in the morning. Every day I tell you, this is my porridge. Don't look for taste, look for what healthy items you are eating. This is the oats, ladies and gentlemen, and as I told you repeatedly elsewhere, one apple a day keeps the doctor away. Everybody in the world says the honey replacement of that crystal sugar, and then peas butter, and the Nutella. Of course, take it less, not to be taken more. But then this is the best. Amrit Rasayan means the Chamanprash of the summer. This is this. Let me just have. I'm getting late for the office also, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. God bless you. I have my king breakfast and wind up with Badam Rogan. Badam Rogan. Thank you. God bless. Jai Bajrang Bali ki jai.